So this is Nerf War. Hooray! Got my Nerf gun here. What's up? One last shot.
Move, dog.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Watch, when I fail, I just lose. I'm just gonna switch gun. When he lose,
You're gonna lose.
no,
Yeah.
you look.
If you get shot 3 times, you're dead.
Yeah.
Leave it, son.
You don't need it.
Leave it.
Okay.
Leave it.
Okay. Woo-wee! Hey, money. 2 days, we're gonna get the tornado maker. Stop it! Stop it! This is how I play. Or this. Hey! That's cool. I can do it with one hand when the doors are hit.
Alright.
So you're gonna be in Coolant's team. Why? I don't need a team.
Oh, she's not in your team, man. She doesn't have a gun, so...
So now you don't have a gun. Sorry, you can't play. Ah! It just hit my barrel just hit the wall when I'm doing this.
I'm steady.
Yeah, me too. I'm almost sweating.
So this one's sturdy. Sturdy.
Guys, watch this. Stop showing your underwear. This is not star big. Ew! What, the pilot? Ah! I'm sitting with the gun. It hurts.
What am I doing?
Gonna shoot myself. Oh my god. Gonna shoot myself. Oh! Oh, it hurts. That hurts. That hurts. Get out. Oh, stuck. Okay. Oh, I got it. Oh, there you go. Go back to. There you go. I'm done. I'm done reloading. Ready to shoot? You.
Hey,
Oh!
what is this?
No, you're so weak.
Stop
Do you remember
How do
I
you do
just...
this?
Huh?
Look. How are you gonna do this thing? How are you gonna... Look.
How to do it. Wait.
Let me see.
Oh
Give
my
me that.
god.
Give me that. Give me that. Give me that.
Wait.
Give me that.
Wait.
Give me that.
I don't have.
No, you don't.
Wait. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Ugh.
Give me.
Yeah.
Break it.
Not a good choice.
Wait, but why doesn't it work anymore?
I don't know. Jumpy.
Did it bend?
No. Yeah. Ow! 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 See? Ow! Ow. Ready, guys? So you're gonna shoot. Ready? Steady.
Give me.
Ready for you to shoot on this one. I'm gonna shoot my eye. Oh, there it is. Ready, guys? Okay.
So weird. You call yourself weird, don't you?
You're called weird. Weird face.
You're gonna get shot.
You're gonna get headshot.
Why? What are you doing? See what you done? So, this is my sniper. Bigger and longer, which is a sniper should do.
Come on, you sniper fat.
I thought it was sniper.
Ah!
The battle starts in 3.
Fix the camera angle, man.
You have to enter the video again.
But here, I don't know. But they here. Right. Sniper mom.
Did I shot you? You can pick up bullets.
I shoot you.
No, you shoot my gun. It doesn't shoot. Yours doesn't shoot. No. strip my t-shirt. I didn't touch this. Just strip my t-shirt. I'm gonna hit you with this. I will smack you with this. If you're here. I'm gonna smack you with this. I'm gonna smack you. Smash you!
This is the end of the video. I already won.
Here.
So, please subscribe to me.
Yep. Please subscribe and like the video.
So, this is a great gun.
And this is the free gun from Toys R Us.
Yeah.
This is from this.
My peanut.
Oh, this is
See ya.
dangerous.